I was passionate about cybersecurity, but I had no idea how to actually start. And when I came to Germany, that confusion became even bigger. New country, new system, no network, and no clear direction. And I think many beginners are in the exact situation right now. So in this video, I want to share my real journey, not the perfect version you see online, but what it actually looked like, the confusion, the mistake, and what finally helped me to move forward. My name is Almamun. I'm currently studying Masters in Cybersecurity in Germany. I have worked as a cybersecurity analyst intern, and now I'm working in GRC. But honestly, none of was clear when I started. I originally from Bangladesh. I did my bachelor's in computer science and engineering. At the time, like many students, I had a simple belief: if I study, get a degree, work hard, things will work out. And I was interested in cybersecurity, but it was more like curiosity, not clarity. And then I came to Germany for my master's. And this is where everything changed. New country, new education system, new culture. Even small things felt difficult at the beginning. Understanding processes, communicating in a different language, adapting to a completely new environment. And at the same time, there was pressure. Pressure to succeed, pressure to build a career, pressure to not wasting this opportunity. And honestly, I felt overwhelming. At that time, I decided, okay, I want to build my career in cybersecurity, but there was one big problem. I didn't understand the field because there are so many domains in cybersecurity. From the outside, cybersecurity looks exciting, hacking, tools, hacks. But when you actually start learning, it's not that simple. There are too many topics, too many tools, too many paths, and no one really explained it clearly. So I did what most beginners do. I started learning everything. One day networking, next day ethical hacking, then Python, and then random tools from YouTube. I would watch videos, feel motivated, start something, and then leave it halfway, and then jump to something else. And every day I felt like I was doing something useful, but after weeks, after months, I realized I wasn't building skills, I was just collecting information. At the same time, I was studying Masters in Cybersecurity in Germany, and this is something very important I want to say. University is good. You learn important things. For example, cryptography, networking, how systems work. You understand concepts deeply. It's more research-based, more theoretical. And yes, this knowledge is valuable, but it doesn't automatically prepare you for a job. No one tells you exactly what skills companies expect. No one tells you how to prepare for interviews. No one tells you which path to choose. So even though I was studying cybersecurity, I still felt lost. There was a moment I started doubting myself. Am I learning the right things? Am I wasting time? Am I good enough for this field? And when you are alone in a new country, these thoughts became stronger. If you feel like this, sometimes I understand, then slowly things started to change. Not suddenly, but step by step. I realized something very simple. Cybersecurity is not about tools, it's about understanding systems and risk. More importantly, you need direction. So I stopped learning randomly and I started focusing. My first real step was getting practical experience. I worked as a cybersecurity analyst intern, and this was different. Not just theory, not just tutorial, real system, real problems. That's where things started to make sense. Later, I moved into GRC, governance, risk and compliance. This is not the hacking side, it's about the risk policy, how organizations stay secure. And this helped me understand cybersecurity from bigger perspective. Looking back, I made many mistakes, but those mistakes taught me everything. If you are studying cybersecurity, remember this. Don't try to learn everything. You will get overwhelmed. Focus on fundamentals first. Choose a direction early. Practice more than you consume, and don't wait too long to apply. Cybersecurity is not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. And that's exactly why I started this channel, CyberAlmamun, because I know how confusing this journey can be. On this channel, I will share cybersecurity knowledge, career guidance, and real experiences. No fake promises, no shortcuts, just real growth. If you are serious about cybersecurity and you want real, honest guidance, subscribe, because I'm just getting started and you can grow with me. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to start cybersecurity from zero, step by step. Click on the next video.